Well, lads, what's the crack? GWA semi-finals, let's fucking go. I have very little prep done for this game, and Masquerade actually came. Oh my god, I did not expect that. Masquerade came, no Polyrath. What else did he not bring? Terra, Dark, Honchcrow, and Terra Grass Lantern. This is not the team that I expected at all. At all. Very interesting. Ooh, I'm very caught off guard. What do I lead? King drop. Click, don't think. Click, don't think. It's really surprised to see no Quillfish. Really surprised to see no Quillfish, and surprised to see no Polyrath. To be honest, out of everything here, I kind of expected Klefki to take the bench for... Like, I either expected Klefki or Ursaring to take the bench for Typhlosion, because Typhlosion was 100% coming. Construct, we see lead Golurk. Very interesting. I don't know his Terra... I don't know his Terra types yet, because he hasn't texted them on, which is a slight bit unfortunate. Well, I guess we're just clicking surf and hoping he's not Terra Water and didn't tell me. I guess we're just clicking surf and hoping that he didn't tell me that he was Terra Water. Yeah, I'm a bit of a panic because I'm trying to get ready for the pub while I'm playing. So this is going to be fun. Surf comes out. It's Sash Rock's lead. Sash Poltergeist. Okay. That does make Typhlosion a little bit more annoying. Oh my god, man, no. Fuck's sake. Oh well. Yeah, I guess we got the Talon Flame. I don't fucking know. That's extremely unfortunate. That makes Typhlosion really tough to deal with. We're just returning. On the bright side, no rocks. On the bad side, Kingdra's fucking dead to a crit, so that's kind of unfortunate. Well, what can you do? Also, Electrode is like basically unguardable for me now. But no rocks is fun, I guess. And I still don't know his Terra types on Golurk or Masquerade. Okay, saves the 1 HP Golurk. Goes out to Firecracker. Typhlosion. Very interesting switch, man. If I just Brave Birded, this thing could have just died. Considering how unguardable it is right now. I guess we'll just go out to Honchcrow. Just click our Terra Dark. Yeah, that's probably fine. I don't see him staying in because I brought Scarf last time. Oh my god, I'm Terra Flying! Oh, I thought I put Terra Dark. Oh well. Apparently the Haunch is flying because I can't gen. Okay, that's unfortunate. I just click Heat Wave? Damn it. Do I do the big boy playing click Heat Wave? This is a throw, but I'm doing it. Oh my god, such a throw, such a throw. It's fine, it's fine. That 100% doesn't break. Okay, well that's fun. I guess we go to Lantern here. Okay, I am throwing very hard. I am throwing very, very hard. CM, yeah. So I know it's not Scarf at least. We'll just click Surf. We'll just click Surf. Sub CM, I did not expect that. I expected Scarf to be able to check Orizan, but oh well. I'm definitely losing this game, but that's entirely my own fault. I'm definitely losing this game, but that's entirely my own fault. CM again, makes sense. Was he boots or is he policy? Well, I suppose we're about to find out. At least the fact that this thing isn't Scarf means that Orizan can check it. Sub again, that's interesting. Is he like Salakberry or something? He must be like Salakberry or something. Yeah, I'm fine with just clicking Surf. I should live one Shadow Ball. Shadow Ball. We do take it. Get our Citrus back, and I think Surf should kill. Oof. Tough, tough, tough. And it's Salak, yeah. Makes sense. So my options here are either I sack Fortress after this thing dies, or I play the Sucker Punch Mind games. Oh well, either way, Lantern's dead. Alright, this is fun. What do I need Fortress for? Blah, 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 blah. What the fuck is this team again? It's good for Ursaring. It's really good for Ursaring. I'll go with the Hunch card. I'll play Sucker Punch Man games. Because I think if I lose Fortress, I'm too far behind. I don't know what I'm just Sucker Punching, to be honest. I haven't revealed it, so you might think I don't have it. Get a swap. If Klefki comes out here, then I'm going to be pissed. Klefki does come out. Cool. Okay, I'm just going to Heat Wave. He's surely not Screens, because I brought Break last time and he wasn't Screens last time. So I'll probably just go up a Spike here. Which is annoying, but manageable. But we dealt with the Thresh. To be honest, Orizan can still win if I weaken Klefki. So if he gives me his tough key damage, Orizan can still win. Spike, cool. Heat wave, that's a nice bit of chip. Let's go with the Talonflame here. Do I really care that much about Talonflame getting hit? Not really. I don't think I care that much about Talonflame getting hit by a T-Wave. Because, yeah, it's fine. It's kind of only good to fire off nukes on Clef Keep. Let's go for Draining Kiss. And now I guess Flare Blitz is pretty free. Yeah, I guess Flare Blitz is pretty free. So probably stack Typhlosion here. Or is that Earthstone? That's Earthstone. This is going to do a good chunk. Nice. Nice. Okay, take our KO. We'll take our KO. And the Talonflame coming in handy. Me pretty much calling the fact that he wouldn't. Well, he did. He was actually Golurk, so he definitely was rocks. But he didn't click rocks, so that was to my advantage. Except for, the crit on Kingdra. But alright, so I claim Mercy Ring, that's fine. A lot of damage on Talonflame, but we can deal with that. So yeah, again, Orizan does look insanely good. It's really only Masquerain, kinda. Electrode definitely comes out here. And then I pretty much just sack to Electrode and go out to Orizan. Is it Scarf Masquerain? It kinda has to be Scarf Masquerain, I'd say, yeah? Right? It kinda has to be Scarf Masquerain. Do we sack Honchkrow here, or do we sack Talonflame? Because I'd appreciate not getting too much damage on Orizan. Or do we just sack Fortress, honestly? Do we sack Fortress? Yeah, Fortress isn't that useful. I think we just sack Fortress. Little Golurk is still alive, I'd love to get up a Spike. He's saving it around a Spin Block, which is smart. Yeah, I don't see why we win this, to be honest. Let's go. Fuck it, we'll go hard Orizan. We'll go hard Orizan. This is definitely a throw, but yeah, we'll switch. On 4. So does Masquerain come out, or does Klefki come out? Eyelashes, it's Masquerain. Honestly, does my Stone Edge kill this thing? Might be worth just going for Stone Edge. I give it Terraflines. Although Orizan literally wins the game, so there's no point in doing that. Oh, come on, damage calc. I'm gonna fucking rush. Oh, I didn't import my sights, never mind. Yeah, seems about right. Bug. Stonage does not kill. I'll go for it. That's a really bad play, but I know. I know. If it's Scarf, then I gotta lose anyway. No crit, no justice. Quiver. That's actually kind of okay. That's actually kind of okay. Do I sack Fortress here? I think I sack Fortress here. So it's Quiver, not Scarf. So if I do scare this thing out, then Orizan quite literally just wins. Terror Blast flying. That does kill. We could quick attack with you, but there's really no point in doing that. Because this kind of just gets us the guaranteed Virizion can actually go in. Yeah, I think we kind of have to just Sucker Punch. Is the very obvious play. But it's what guarantees scares out the Masquerade. It's what guarantees scares out the Masquerade. What he could do... Oh, actually, no, I shouldn't have attacked. What he could do is go out to Golurk, sack that because he doesn't need to split and block anymore. Yeah. That's definitely the best play. Stayed into Quiver again. Okay. I mean, that's fine. That's fine, I'll just keep Sucker Punching. You might follow the rule of 3 here and think that I'm going to attack. He does not. Like I said, I have no problem just continuously Sucker Punching. Because he's eventually going to start overthinking. Yeah, there we go. It's always how it goes. Always how it goes. Once you see enough Sucker Punches, you eventually start overthinking. You think, like, surely they're not going to go through all their Sucker Punch PP, right? Right. So Klefki probably comes back out here. The Masquerade is dead, which is fantastic for Virizion. Yeah, this thing comes back out, surprisingly. To Electrode. Now I just killed this thing. Is he gonna T-Wave? He didn't T-Wave. And it's dead. Okay, that was very surprising. Very surprising. Now there's literally no Orizan counterplay. Do you think I was out of PP? Do you think I had 5 instead of 8, or did he miscount? Shit, if I end up winning this, I did not deserve to win this at all. This is probably like the least deserved to win in my life. Like, I was playing so sloppy. Is there even a reason to stay in? I'll just kind of give this thing more HP. No, there really isn't. There really isn't. I'll just go back on Talonflame. There's no point in giving this Klefki HP for no reason. Yeah, Drain Kiss. Oh, we got the Flame Body Burn. That's actually something that I completely forgot could happen. And yeah, we just Flare Blitz. I mean, that's the very easy play here. I actually don't know how this happened. T-Wave miss is so unfortunate. But as bad as it sounds, I genuinely don't think it mattered. Because Orizan kind of cleans at this stage. Because Golurk lost Rock Polish, so that's not a possibility. Typhlosion is low HP and doesn't have its berry anymore. So yeah, I think it's just a Talonflame clean. Okay, this game did not go the way I expected. But Orizan hitting that Masquerain was huge. And Honchkrow killing it was also huge. I was fully convinced it was like Scarf Masquerain in the back, because I thought he had to have the Scarfer. But apparently no. So yeah, shit, GG's to Orizan. Sorry if I was rushing you for the battle, buddy. Just, you know, I'm Irish, what can I say? I love to drink. So very unexpectedly, I suppose, we'll fucking see in finals. Against either Elking or Crep. So yeah. We'll see you around.